And we've issued that weather alert day here for our Friday for the potential of seeing some strong to even severe thunderstorms develop once again. We already saw our first batch move through earlier this morning, but we're looking at our next batch anytime after about 6 o'clock, and 1-inch hail, damaging straight line wind gusts, and even a spin up tornado all on the table as we head into tonight. That's a little different than what we were tracking earlier this morning, where predominantly just that large hail was the biggest threat. Here's the latest look at FUTURETRACK as we head into this evening. Again, could see some showers and thunderstorms get up and going closer towards 6 and 7 o'clock. I think it's going to be within the next couple of hours that we see some more storms get up and going back toward Kansas City and then spread into mid-Missouri as we head closer toward about midnight. So unfortunately, this looks like it's going to be another one of these overnight events as we head into the early morning hours on Saturday. Now again, all threats on the table as that complex rolls on through. Damaging wind gusts, large hail, an isolated tornado, all possible as we head into tonight with all those ingredients coming in place. But as we head into Saturday, that's where things get a little bit more muddy on the forecast side of things. We're going to be tracking a cold front through here, and you can almost pick that out here. This is where it's at about 6 o'clock. But if you back that up a couple of hours as that rolls through mid-Missouri, could be firing up some of these showers and thunderstorms we're seeing back further west, closer toward the early afternoon hours. And as those get up and going, they're going to be having the potential at least to rotate fairly quickly. So we got to watch those as we head into Saturday too. Latest look again at that environment that they're going to be looking at. It's going to be very ripe as we head into tonight. A lot of instability, a lot of fuel for some of these storms with some of these warmer colors really sticking around much of mid-Missouri. There's that cold front though working its way through mid-Missouri as we head into the early afternoon hours. And as that does so, again, could be firing up a few of those showers or thunderstorms. Latest from the Storm Prediction Center, again, as those storms get up and going back toward Kansas City, I think that's your better chance at seeing maybe a tornadic potential. It's going to be further west outside of the viewing area, but as those carry into mid-Missouri, again, going to be posing all three threats as we head into tonight. Heading into tomorrow, again, we still are under the gun, especially east of Highway 63 as we head into the early afternoon hours. I think those ingredients coming together a little bit worse here into northeastern portions of the state, just outside of the viewing area. But we got to watch this closely because, again, it's one of those razor thin margins because there is that tornadic potential. As these things get up and going fairly quick, they can spin fairly quickly into tomorrow. So again, something to watch for as we head into tomorrow. There's that better threat. It's going to be back into Illinois, that tornado threat into tomorrow again as we head into our Saturday. So we'll watch to see if we need to extend that weather alert day. Of course, we won't hesitate to do so if we need to move it back into our Saturday, but right now we're holding off on that with the potential of really just seeing some damaging straight line winds tomorrow and a little bit of that large hail as these things get up and going. But on the other side of all of this, looking at that 7-day forecast, things finally start settling back down as we head into next week. Temperature is bouncing around into those low to even some mid to upper 60s throughout much of next week. Aside from those rain chances into our Tuesday.